In continuation of the 5-day Students' Week program launched on Monday, Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, has presented yet another marvelous show named Cooking Feast, during which students display their various cooking talents in the presence of students and management staff of the university. The event, which was aimed at improving the students' cooking skill, was held on Tuesday, 6 September 2022 at the university's sport complex. During the feast, 9 competing groups from the 4 existing schools of the university were lined up in an exciting culinary, where each group used its fantasy to prepare a spectacular recipe in order to win the cooking competition. In the middle of the event, a committee of juries were conducted round the competitors' table to taste the dishes, while at the same time assigning marks for each food tasted. The juries included the President of MAAUN, Professor Mohammad Israr, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, the Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Nura A, Yaro, among others.
This is reality, possibility, accessibility, naturality. Maryam Abacha, Americana University. So much opportunity at MAAUN University. Knowledge is life, education is power.
Similarly, another show tagged Old School was presented in memory of our forefathers while entertaining and teaming audience with their amusing performances.
What type of lesson are you teaching? I swear this. So, students, you cannot even recite the national anthem. I will just die as a principal.